Hey guys, it's me Rachel and this is my channel GL Style Girls Lifestyle. So guys, happy Raja to everyone. Raja is basically a Odia festival which is especially for girls, and today I'm going to show you the fun that I'm going to do, and let's go. So Raja is a very special festival which is celebrated every year in the state of Odisha, especially for the unmarried girls, and it's a celebration of womanhood. It is a very unique festival, and all the girls in this state celebrate this festival in the same 3 days. Like, it's celebrated 3 days. In the 3 days we wear new clothes every day. It generally falls in the month of June, with the first day being as Pahili Raja, second day as the Raja Sankranti, and the third day is the Bhui Dahana or the Basi Sesha Raja. All these 3 days the girls do not do any household work. They get to savor on local delicacy of varieties of pitha, which is rice cakes, and also pans, wear new dresses and do makeup, which is called Sajobaja, known as and enjoy their time with friends and play on swings, which is a very unique thing in this Raja. Mother Earth is worshipped during this festival. So in this festival, no activities like tilling or construction or any other that hurts Mother Earth are done. Like, we also don't do, like the farmers in the villages, they also don't do any farming because it would hurt the Mother Earth. So in these 3 days of Raja, I've been going daily to my friend's house and we're having lots of fun there. On the last day of Raja, like the third day, I'm going there because I have a dinner invitation there, and we're gonna also watch a movie, and here are some of our popcorns.